Have you ever held a real computer in your hand? Imagine the power of a full-fledged desktop computer, but in a size that fits right in your palm. Not a phone, but a real computer that can do almost anything your desktop can. The Raspberry Pi 4 Model B is exactly that. It's a tiny marvel of modern technology. That's the magic of the Raspberry Pi. It's small, but it's powerful. With its quad-core processor, multiple USB ports and HDMI outputs, it can handle a surprising range of tasks. And the best part, it's not expensive, so everyone can use it. For a fraction of the cost of a traditional computer, you get a device that can do so much more. Whether you're good at computers or just curious, the Raspberry Pi is for you. It's designed to be accessible to everyone, from tech enthusiasts to beginners. You can use it for lots of things, like building robots or making your home smart. Imagine automating your lights, security system, or even creating your own personal assistant. The Raspberry Pi helps everyone use technology. In classrooms, it's a fantastic tool for teaching kids how to code and understand the basics of computing. It lets people learn and create cool things without spending too much money. From DIY projects to learning new programming languages, the possibilities are endless. This tiny computer is loved by millions of people. Communities around the world gather to share their projects and ideas, fostering a spirit of collaboration and innovation. It shows how powerful open-source technology can be, even in a small and affordable package. The Raspberry Pi runs on open-source software, making it versatile and customizable. Get ready to explore the exciting world of Raspberry Pi. Whether you're a hobbyist, a student, or just someone looking to tinker, the Raspberry Pi opens up a world of possibilities. The Raspberry Pi started in 2012 with a simple goal: to make computers easy for everyone to use. It was a small, credit card-sized computer that packed a punch despite its size. The idea was to create an affordable and accessible computer that could be used by anyone, anywhere. This tiny device was designed to be versatile, allowing users to learn programming, build projects, and explore the world of computing without breaking the bank. The Raspberry Pi Foundation, a group in the UK, wanted every child to learn about computers and programming. They believed that understanding technology was crucial for the future, and they aimed to provide the tools and resources needed to make this possible. By creating educational programs and resources, they made it easier for teachers and students to integrate computing into their curriculum. The Foundation's mission was to democratize technology and empower the next generation of innovators. The first Raspberry Pi, a basic computer, was a big hit. It was cheap and open source, so anyone could use and change it. This openness encouraged a community of developers and enthusiasts to contribute to its development, creating a wealth of software and projects that anyone could access. The Raspberry Pi's success was driven by its affordability, flexibility, and the passionate community that formed around it. This helped teachers, hobbyists, and anyone who likes to build things. Educators found it to be an invaluable tool for teaching computer science and engineering concepts in a hands-on way. Hobbyists and makers used it to create everything from simple gadgets to complex systems, pushing the boundaries of what was possible with such a small device. The Raspberry Pi became a cornerstone of the maker movement, inspiring creativity and innovation. Over the years, the Raspberry Pi has gotten better and faster, with each new model having more features. The Foundation continued to innovate, releasing new versions with improved performance, more memory, and additional connectivity options. These advancements made the Raspberry Pi even more capable, allowing it to be used in a wider range of applications. From simple educational tools to powerful development platforms, the Raspberry Pi evolved to meet the needs of its diverse user base. It started small, but now millions of people use it all over the world. The Raspberry Pi's impact has been felt globally, with users in every corner of the planet. Its affordability and versatility have made it a popular choice for projects in education, industry, and beyond. The community of Raspberry Pi users has grown into a vibrant and supportive network, sharing knowledge, resources, and inspiration. It's used in homes, schools, and even factories. In homes, it's a favorite for DIY projects like home automation and media centers. In schools, it's a powerful tool for teaching STEM subjects and fostering a love for technology. In factories, it's used for automation, monitoring, and control systems, proving that this tiny computer can handle big tasks. The Raspberry Pi's versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of applications, from personal projects to professional solutions. The Raspberry Pi has made technology available to everyone, showing that anyone can be innovative. It has broken down barriers to entry, allowing people of all ages and backgrounds to explore computing, and create amazing things. Community workshops and events have sprung up around the world, bringing people together to learn, share, and collaborate. The Raspberry Pi has truly democratized technology, proving that with the right tools, anyone can be a creator and an innovator. The Raspberry Pi is small, but it's packed with cool technology. It has a powerful processor that can do complicated tasks easily. The newest models are as fast as some desktop computers, but there's more. It has lots of memory, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and places to plug in keyboards, mice, and screens. One of the coolest things about the Raspberry Pi is its GPIO pins. These pins let the Raspberry Pi connect to the real world. You can connect sensors and other electronic parts to make anything you can imagine. A weather station, a robot, or even a smart home controller. The Raspberry Pi is used in schools all over the world. It's a great tool for teachers to help kids get excited about science and technology. It's affordable and can be used for lots of things, making it perfect for teaching programming and electronics. Students can learn to code with Scratch, which is easy to use, or learn more advanced coding with Python. The Raspberry Pi's GPIO pins let students build and program their own electronics. Imagine building something and then seeing your code make it work. The Raspberry Pi makes learning fun and helps kids become the inventors and problem solvers of the future. The Raspberry Pi isn't just for school, it's also for people who like to build and create things. Whether you're a seasoned maker or a curious beginner, the Raspberry Pi offers endless possibilities for creativity and innovation. It's inexpensive, versatile, and has a huge online community. This tiny computer can be the heart of countless projects, from simple experiments to complex builds. The affordability of the Raspberry Pi makes it accessible to everyone, and its versatility means it can be adapted to almost any project you can think of. Want to build an old-school game console? The Raspberry Pi can do that. With a few components and some software, you can relive the classic games of your childhood. Imagine turning your Raspberry Pi into a retro gaming hub, where you can play all your favorite games from the past. Want to control your home with your voice? The Raspberry Pi can do that too. From turning on lights to adjusting the thermostat, you can create a smart home system that responds to your commands. The possibilities for home automation are vast and can make your daily life more convenient and efficient. You can even make it a media center, a personal cloud server, or a time-lapse camera. Imagine having all your media in one place, accessible from any device, or creating stunning time-lapse videos with ease. The Raspberry Pi can handle it all, making it a powerful tool for both entertainment and productivity. The only limit is your imagination. From art installations to scientific experiments, the Raspberry Pi can be the foundation of any project you dream up. Its flexibility and power make it a favorite among makers and hobbyists who love to push the boundaries of what's possible. Online, there are tons of tutorials and projects to help you. Whether you need step-by-step guides or inspiration for your next project, the internet is full of resources. You can find videos, blogs, and forums where enthusiasts share their knowledge and experiences, making it easier for you to get started and succeed. Whether you're an expert or just starting, the Raspberry Pi community is there to help you learn, share, and create. Community events, online groups, and local meetups provide opportunities to connect with others, exchange ideas, and collaborate on projects. The support and camaraderie within the Raspberry Pi community make it a welcoming place for everyone. One of the best things about the Raspberry Pi is its friendly community. Millions of people around the world, from experts to beginners, share their projects and ideas online and in person. Online forums are a great place to ask questions and get help. Makerspaces and Raspberry Pi meetups let people connect and learn from each other. This community helps people learn about technology. The Raspberry Pi Foundation wants everyone to have access to technology and learning, even in communities that don't have a lot of resources. The Raspberry Pi isn't just for fun, businesses use it too. It's small, doesn't use much power, and can connect to lots of sensors. This makes it great for things like automating factories, checking the environment, and even controlling robots. Companies are using the Raspberry Pi to create new solutions, improve their work, and save money. From controlling machines in factories to checking on crops on farms, the Raspberry Pi is showing how useful it is. It's changing how industries work, making things more innovative and efficient. The future of Raspberry Pi is exciting. As technology gets better, the Raspberry Pi will become even more important. One exciting area is artificial intelligence, or AI. The Raspberry Pi is powerful enough to experiment with AI and build smart applications. Imagine robots that can learn, smart homes that know what you need, and health devices that take care of you. Edge computing is another big area for the Raspberry Pi. This means processing information closer to where it's collected, instead of sending it to big data centers. The Raspberry Pi is perfect for this because it doesn't use much power and can connect to the internet. The Raspberry Pi is more than just a computer, it's a way to be creative and learn new things. Whether you're a tech expert or just starting out, the Raspberry Pi is for you. It's affordable, versatile, and has a helpful community. So, what are you waiting for? Explore the world of Raspberry Pi and discover the fun of building, creating, and making amazing things. Your journey starts today.